can't really tell. We've lost power twice. Through the screen it's showing snow, but I can't tell. But I think we're having a mix now. I finally got the hook off. Yeah, we've had some kind of rain. I've shoveled this off 3 or 4 times. It's after 1 a.m., 1:30. It's snowing again and getting deeper. Melody, I sure as hell hope you're having a good time in Miami. Well, the snow did turn to rain, to freezing rain, as many times as I shoveled it off last night. The door's still piled up with snow. It's going to start snowing again. We have more tree branches down. He did it again. He's come to save my day. Thank you so much, Lee. Oh, chili and cornbread. I am so delivering, and cake. This is just the pot that we're going to brown everything in, because the pot, even though it's a 10-quart Dutch oven, is not going to hold all this chili. But I've started the prep work. The cube steak I was going to have yesterday, I've actually cut up and seasoned. It'll be part of the chili too. I have the additional 4 Mexican chorizo sausages I'm going to brown up. 3 large onions, 2 sweet mines, 1 red, 3 Cubanelle peppers. I haven't even got to the garlic yet. I've got tons of the beans, and I've got about 4 pounds of hamburger that I'm going to brown up. But this was just the start. We also do have the smoked roasted red peppers I'm going to add to it as well. The seasoned cube steak and the chorizo has all been browned up. Now we're having to do the hamburger in goblets simply because I've got 5 pounds of hamburger, and if you put it all in at once, it kind of goes to soup. Too much liquid to cook out, so we're doing them in little batches. Just getting back to chopping up the peppers and later the garlic and all the other good stuff that's going to go in. And now that our onions have a really nice color, I'm about to go ahead and add the garlic, and then in a few minutes the peppers and the roasted red peppers, and then we'll have to transfer it all to the assembling into the big pot with the beans and the spices and the juices and some mushrooms and black olives, and it'll all come together. Now it's all assembled with Hanover red kidney beans, some black beans, all the peppers and the mushrooms, the onions, the roasted red peppers, and all the different meats. Now we're going to go ahead and spice it up a little bit. I can't do very much spice because hubby can't take it, but we are going to put in a little soy, but this is a sweet soy, almost like a syrup. Not much. We will have to probably sweeten it up later. We're going to go ahead and put in the chili powder, a little cumin. It's already been pretty well salted, but even with the garlic and more garlic, a little granulated garlic, and a little bit more paprika, and we'll let it go ahead and marry up and heat down, and a little bit more roasted red pepper juice, and we'll see what it turns out like. There he is at it again. Lee Richardson is out helping clear driveways for all the neighbors around. And he's just such a good-hearted soul. And I had no idea how I was going to get dug out. I'm not real good with a shovel, and this snow was not something that was going to work well being a plastic shovel. Thank you again so much, Lee.